Did you know that Midjourney has a hidden algorithm that's kind of right there, but you probably don't know it exists? The way it works is you want to go to /settings. Now, at the time of recording, this won't work with version 6 alpha. You do need to start with version 5.2, but you also want to turn on remix mode. And what that does is we're actually going to go in and create an image. So I've got a prompt here, but if I do want to operate on a particular aspect ratio, I want to add it in now. So --AR 16:9 is my aspect ratio. And I'm going to hit enter. And now we have these images here. I'm going to upscale one of them. It doesn't matter which one. So we have our image. The next step is to go to vary region. And now vary region does produce different results to the algorithm that you actually start with. So if I grab my selection tool, I select the entire image. So I go from one corner to the other, cover the entire image. I can essentially type in a completely different prompt or the same one. So I'm actually just going to put in the same prompt, and in a minute I'll show you how it's different. And then we get these images, which are a little bit of a different style, but there's a lot of similarities. But I feel like the contrast and everything, it's a different looking image. But here's how we know it's different. If I click on the three dots here and hit envelope, react with an envelope, I get the seed number. So I'm going to type in the prompt, a fast sports car driving through the mountains, copy the seed number, --seed and the number. Also going to add the aspect ratio for consistency and hit enter. As you can see, with the exact same seed, we get this image, which is vastly different to these images. You can put them side by side and see that they're actually completely different images. And that is literally using the exact same seed as the images that were generated. Now, you don't have to stick to the same thing. If you've got remix mode turned on in settings, as we mentioned earlier, you can still come up to your original image, vary region, and type in a completely different prompt. The cyborg bunny doing kung fu, I think, is about as different as it can get. So I submit. And then we're able to produce something like this, and the original image started as a car. So it's a pretty interesting thing to play with, and I highly recommend you experiment with it and see just sort of what results you can get. Now, one thing to remember also is if I head into /settings, you can see what's available here. We have Midjourney 6 all the way down to Midjourney version 1. So there's still actually a few other models in there that aren't mentioned, such as --test, --test P. You can also add --creative to the end of those. And also some styles. There's the cursed style with version 4. So if you want to look into those, I have a video, I'll pop up on the screen right now. It covers all the various different styles that you may not be able to find as easily, so you can get even more diverse results within these models using Midjourney. So have a bit of fun with that hidden algorithm. I don't know if it'll stay that way forever, but otherwise, if you like the video, please consider giving it a like. Otherwise, have a great day, and I hope to see you again soon.